Hello viewers, welcome back to Tech. My name is Haripriya Ramesh and I am doing as a web development and designing intern in the Spark Foundation. Today we are going to see about the project which I have done on the Spark Foundation and what are the concepts behind in this project and how to develop this project. I have done a basic banking system as my project in the Spark Foundation. Before we are going to see about my project, first of all, I thanks to the Spark Foundation for giving me a wonderful opportunity to do this intern and project. And also I thanks to my colleague and mentor in the Spark Foundation for clear all my queries. Thank you sir and thank you ma'am and thank you friends for supporting me. Okay, now we will come to our project. In this project, the basic banking system is used to transaction our credit to one customer to another customer. In this basic banking system, I have included 10 default customer details like mail ID, name, credit balance, and also I include the transaction history of customers. Okay, now we are navigate to our coding parts. In this coding segment, we will see about the index.php and style.css cascading style sheet. Index.php I have included the bootstrap framework for better frame and better style looks. And also index.php which have consist home page and navigation bar. In our project I have consist two more PHP files that was transaction detail.php and viewuser.php. Viewuser.php is used to view the customer details like mail ID, name and credit balance etc. And transaction detail.php is used to see the history of the transaction history. And one more important is selected user detail.php, which is used to transaction our customer credit to other customer details, customer credits. And one more is config.php. Config.php is used to connect to the database. Okay, when we are talk about the database, we just go to see our database. For which I have used a WAMP server to connect to the database and server. First open the PHP myadmin. Just wait for a minute. Okay, our PHP myadmin was open. In this HP credit is my database. In this database, I created two tables, transaction and user. Transaction table is used to see our transaction history and user table is used to see our user details like mail ID, name and credit balance. Okay, now we are see how my website are looks. I just open a local host and open my project. Oh, right. Transaction successful. It was working. Can we check another one? Here is my balance was 50,789. So I enter more than that amount, 60,000. Insufficient balance. Okay, it was also working. You can see that Ria 700. Okay, we are going to our home page and about us. About us, which has consist of a welcome to HP banking and some small details about this website and logo. We can see our credit history using this, and also we can see our credit history using navigation bar. Okay, thank you all. Thanks for watching this, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye. Signing off by Haripriya Ramesh.